You see, that is why we came up with different type of oils, serums, and all that. Now people are emulating us, thinking the oil we formulated them within, like ourselves, we formulated them. No, these are original oil from Thailand. If you don't know, from Thailand, we have them in a large quantity, original from Thailand. Yes, we have our clients, our customers in Thailand. Here we produce all this. We tell them what we need, because for some of us, we're done with all those serums. I used to, before I'm a victim of that. Before, I used to put like 10 serums, 20 serums in a cream, in a lotion. Come on, auntie, it's not working. It's not working. Let's be sincere. Straight up, it's not working. These days, we don't do that. With few serums, at least 1 or 2 serums, vital serums, then we put a bump. This is the bump we're holding. This is the bump. So have that in mind, that if I'm giving oil that is well tested, the pH level is excellent. No side effect on it. No side effect on it. I'm telling you. No side effect on it. You can use this oil to produce your shower gel. You can use it to produce your lotion. You can use it also to produce your soap. You can use it to do your face wash. How you want to do it, you can use. The only thing you can do with this oil, you can't drink it. Now, you can't drink it. You can't use it to cook, but you can use it to produce your skincare product, and it will come out excellent, because these are the right oils you need. It's not just an oil alone. When you see it's very thick, because it's a highly concentrated oil. So in other words, we call it citrus oil or concentrate. So this is the best oil that you use. Instead of you'll be wasting all the whole time. You're wasting all the whole time to get some serums that are not working. They are not working. Get some powders, they are not working. And whereas we're telling you about this, and you still go and fall the victim. They are not cheap oils either. So don't think, oh, maybe because we said the oils, so they are cheap. They are not cheap. I'm not telling you, they are not cheap. All right? But take a bold step and get these oils. Take a bold step and get this oil. Oil that will make you proud. The other day I dropped a video to say everybody were running hater scatter just because of the picture they saw. So do you think it's something of a 2525? Because yeah, as you see them, those of you watching me, 2525, 2,500 to go and buy. They say you not agree 2,500. It's sorry for you. Sorry. It's not 25 oil. Get the right oil and use, and let your. For those of you who always tell me, please use your product, I'm done of hearing that. All right? I'm done of hearing that. They say, use your product before I will buy it. Use your product. I've done it with that number. I told you, if I want to lighten up, since 6 months now, I haven't used a lotion. Rather, I'll be using my my glowing oil. And you can see my skin. All right? But the time I was using my lotion, you all saw it like 7 shades in 1 week. And I did that for you almost a year plus. All right? Now I'm not using it anymore. But see, look at my skin. Perfect. So that is it. I just want you to understand that this all we're using is not fake. Rather, we go for the original. We go for the in-depth company where they make it. We source it out. We fly it to this country. All right? So that is it. Stop using fake products for people. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Because they tell me big names. I swear they call big names for me. I bought this from this person, and he gave me this, he gave me that. So why are you telling me, by the way, why are you telling me? Why are you telling me? A lady was telling me I spent over 100,000 and this, that. But you were coming to, why are you telling me? You don't need to tell me that. I mean, go meet that person and tell the person. You're telling me you spend over 8,000. I just told her you don't have money. You don't have money. You don't have money, you don't have money. 800,000, you do this. That you just only want to dash that money out, and you dash that money out. So now you don't have money. Don't come here and say, oh, I spent 800,000. I did 800,000 consign what I'm telling you about buying original oil and use. My people, is it not funny? It's funny. It's funny, but don't bring that funny into skincare business. Skincare business is real. Don't burn people's skin. You want to impress your self-interest. No, don't do that, please. Don't do that. Thank you for your understanding that we've just come here to give you the right thing. This is a lovely oil. Look at it proper. Yeah.